how you can use this application to pretty much track your food, calorie, and everything as food intake, pretty much everything else. So make sure you watch the full video, stay tuned. That's pretty much the setup that you need to do before you start using the application. So you make sure you enter the right information so you can get the best results, guys. If you don't enter the right information, you're not going to get the best results. So do make sure you get the best results, guys, by entering the correct information. So I'm just entering something random. And once I'm finished, I guess. So once you have finished putting the correct information, it will generate or create a start or plan for you based on your goal. So it will just pretty much track everything. You can either log in or create an account, but if not, you can just stop and skip. And it will just show this here, the stop and excited here, and skip again. And once you have done that, it pretty much will load up everything. So it will track everything, your protein, your carbs, your fat, your cholesterols, everything, guys. So any food that you're going to eat, make sure you take a picture of it. You can just tap on this plus icon here to take a picture of that food you're eating, and it will track everything for you. And also you're going to see the progress as it relates to your weight, also the streaks or consistent you are with the application. And in the settings feature here, you have some personal information which you can edit as well. You can auto-generate goals that relates to nutrition and so forth. Down here, you can also change the language. You have the weight history as well. And at the top here, you can enter your name. So once you have done all of that, you can also refer a friend by giving them the referral code. So once you have invited somebody, you can earn up to $10 per invite. So very easy app to use. Once you have entered the correct information, you're consistent, you send them a picture of your food, you will get the best results with this application. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And at the top here, you're gonna see the fire icon, which pretty much shows the streak or how much days you're inconsistent for. So that's really it. If I miss anything, comment below. Glad to help you out, and without you guys, see you guys in the next tutorial.